back, G Squad. This is Down for Glam, and these are the nails that we're going to be working on today. My name is Gigi if you're new here, and all we do is pretty much talk about nails and nail stuff and do nails. So what I'm doing is etching out this full cover tip. I don't know what brand this is. This was gifted to me by a nail sister, and I have no idea what brand it is, but I like them. They're just some nice plastic tips for playing with, and they work really well. And what I have here is a half tip inserted into Carmen, and we are etching that as well. And we are gonna marry the two together using some Modelones poly gel. Once I finish etching that, we will make sure we wipe all of the dust debris off. This is a little lamp, a little flashlight, and I hang it from my light to use to do the initial curing of this so that I can hold the tip down. And that's what I was showing you with that little flashlight. I'm just gonna hold it up there, let it cure, and then put it straight away into the lamp. So if you're struggling with how to do that, that's just one little way that you can do it. Now on those tips, I'm gonna come in with some Modelones black polish, which I enjoy their black polish. Be sure you subscribe and hit that bell, because on the next video on Wednesday, we have got a very small, but I think really exciting Modelones haul. So be sure that you subscribe if you are not already, and ring that bell so you don't miss any of the awesome nail content that I throw up here 3 times a week. Yo. Okay. And while you're subscribing, do all the other good things too, because that helps me beat the algorithm game. You know that's the goal, right? You want to get that algorithm on your side. So I'm finishing this up, and there is going to be 2 coats, but of course I'm going to go ahead and skip that second one just for brevity's sake, just because it gets, you know, a little bit repetitive. Now I'm cleaning off the sticky layer, and we're doing that because our next step is going to be some transfer foil. And we are going to, I do want to tell you, I kind of mess up the pinky. So I am doing a full, it looks like I'm going to do a full nail here. That is not what you will end up seeing at the end, as you saw on that picture at the beginning of the video. But you know what? Mistakes happen. And after I messed up the nail, I totally changed direction completely and changed that nail to be the same sort of swirly side French that we're doing here on the rest of them. The thumbnail is just going to get a full sheet of the transfer foil, just for funsies, right? And this is the foil that we are actually going to be using. It is sort of a messy striped version of, now I am going to show you that I'm putting this down, but we don't keep it. We don't keep it. But anyway, it's sort of a messy striped version of, what would you say, like oil slick nails, right? I will try to link for you the haul video where we got those. I don't know if it was I don't remember if it was a big haul or a little haul, but I bought a little pack of like 8 or 10 different kinds of foils like that. And this is the one I decided to use today. I think it came out really good. You don't really see the stripes so much once it's on, just sort of the shift of the colors, but I really like that. I messed that one up, that middle one. I touched it and I messed it up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of more transfer foil gel down and then redo that one because I messed it up. So that's why we're skipping it, because I sort of halfway did it and it didn't really work. It didn't really work. I did want to give that little haha there, because the nails fall out of her constantly. So on that Amazon hand. I don't know about other hands, if they are a little firmer with the way that they hold the nails, but the Amazon one is not super firm with the way it holds the nails in. Now we're coming in with some Model 1 solid cream gel. I think it's number 11, but you know I will list it down below. And it's just a nice silver gel polish, well actually art gel. And we're gonna outline our Frenches with it because I just really think it's gonna help them pop even more. And I do wanna say that I realize right now it doesn't look that great yet. But you gotta trust the process, as Melissa De La Cruz says over at Young Nails, because once you get everything done and the top coat and you take the pictures and you put the rings on, everything looks cuter. So now we're gonna come in with these little dandelions that are holographic silver. And I thought they matched with this look so well, so that's why I chose them. And it's just a simple little embellishment to make it, you know, a little more fun, a little more festive, a little more summer, but in a dark glam sort of way. That's what we're gonna call this, dark glam summer. Oh, dark glam summer, guys. Okay, here's the top coat. We're starting with the thumb, so you can get a really nice look at that. Look at how pretty. Oh, I love those oil slick transfer foils. I feel like I need to wear that on my nails pretty soon. So, but we've gotten a lot of new things in lately, in case you hadn't noticed the haul videos. And there's a lot of stuff I want to put on my nails. Don't forget, Wednesday, Model 1's, mini Model 1's haul. Mini Model 1's haul, yes. Look at it, once you put the top coat on, how pretty that gets. Look at that, guys. This is the finished set. I hope you really like them as much as I do. I think they're dark and glamorous, but summery with the addition of the dandelions, just trying to bring that little summerness forward, but keeping it dark and glam. I really love these. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you Wednesday. Bye-bye.